Hey what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will walk through how to stake Cardano on Binance to earn daily profit or interest. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should receive its notifications. So if you are using Binance application, if you are using the Binance exchange platform, so if you have purchased the Cardano, so why you are not stacking that to receive profit? So if you are a spot trader, if you are if you put your Cardano on your spot wallet, so you can easily stake that on the Binance and you can earn a reward or profit. So the rule of stacking on Binance, that if you are using bank account, like you are having a saving account, and every month or every 15 days or every 60 days you are receiving money from your account whenever you put your money on your bank account. So the same process, Binance having the opportunity for everyone that you are staking your coins on the Binance, and on the other side you are receiving the reward of your staking coins. So in here I will show you step by step how to stake your Cardano coin on Binance. Right now I will open my Binance account. Here for staking your coins, log into your Binance regular account. Once you are completely logged in, on the top bar click on the finance and click on the Binance earn. Once this window opens, simply scroll down. Here you can see don't just HODL or hold your crypto, grow it. Here there are the 5 categories: savings, locked staking, launch pool, BNB vault, and Ethereum 2.0 staking. And here we need the locked staking. I will click on the view more. Here you can see locked staking is now opened. There click on expand all 73 locked staking products. Now again scroll down, find out the ADA or Cardano. Here you can see that the durations, and here is the ADA, EST, APY, the estimated profit that you are receiving from Binance from staking your Cardano coins. Here if you stake for 60 days you will receive 7.79%. if you stake your coin for the 90 days you will receive 8.38%. so right now I will select, because I've staked my Cardano coins for the 15 days and now it is the package is for 30 days, so I have to select the 30 days, but you can select 60 or 90 days. Right now I will click on the stake now option. Here you can see that you will receive the stake date, the value date, interest period, interest end date, redemption period, redemption date. Here you can select the 30 days. So here is, you can see I have the amount that the coin Cardano coin is 670 Cardano I have available in my Binance account. So I will select the maximum option, all of them. So once that is done, select I have agree, I have read and agree to the Binance staking service agreement. Click on the box here, click on the confirm option. Once you are done, you will receive subscription success. Again go back to the Binance. Here on the top bar click on the wallet and select the earn option. So earn option is the place where you can check your staking coins on the Binance. Here is on the saving platform I have my Bitcoin. Here you can see, and on the locked staking I will select the locked staking option. Here is flexible and click on the locked staking. Here you can see that 670 ADA is now staked on the Binance, and here you can check the interest date, the interest period, redemption date, and estimate next redemption amount. So guys, this is the way how you can stake your Cardano coin on Binance. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.